This is DJI Flip drone. Today we are doing a range test of the DJI Flip drone to see how far we can fly it and still bring it back safely. First I am connecting the drone with the RCN3 remote.
Connection successful.
Home point updated.
After the home point update is completed, I will take the drone to a specific altitude and then fly it straight forward. Always make sure your home point is updated before flying your drone over a long distance. After reaching an altitude of 49 meters, I am flying the drone straight ahead. For better viewing, I have increased the video speed to 2x. Now you can see the drone moving forward at a speed of 7.9 meter per second. Due to heavy fog in the sky, the video looks a bit hazy. The drone has already crossed 500 meters and visibility ahead is very low. Now the drone has crossed 700 meters. The RC network signal is still full. It's connected to 32 satellites and the battery is 83. The drone has now crossed 1 kilometer and the RC signal is still full with no signal drops at all. Let me show you the bottom view on that map. You can clearly see the drone moving straight forward.
Almost 2 kilometer, and 2 kilometers.
The drone has already crossed more than 2 kilometers. The RC signal is still full and the battery level is at 72%. The bottom view looks very beautiful. So let me record it for better details. Now it has crossed more than 2.6 kilometers and the signal is still strong. Since I am flying in an open area, the signal is very stable. However, in city or residential areas, the signal might drop slightly. Now I can see some houses in the distance. The drone has crossed more than 3 kilometers. When the battery reaches around 60%, I will return the drone. Hopefully it can reach 3.5 kilometers. I started flying the drone at around 90% battery. If it were 100%, I think it could reach up to 4 kilometers. Now the drone has crossed 3.5
Yes.
kilometers, so I have pressed
Please return
return
to
to
home.
home. The
Return to
battery
home.
is close to 60%. The drone will climb to 70 meters and then start flying straight back towards me until the drone returns. All I can do is wait. On the map, you can clearly see how far the drone traveled. There is still 3 kilometers remaining on the return journey and the battery is at 56%. Let's see if the drone can make it back safely. Because of the heavy fog, the top-down view looks very clean and cinematic. Now there's about 2 kilometers left and the drone is returning at a speed of more than 7 meters per second. So overall we are getting almost a 7 kilometers total range including going and returning. On the map you can see the drone has already covered almost two-thirds of the distance. About 1300 meters remaining and it shows the drone will reach home within around 150 seconds. Let's see what happens. Now the drone is very close to my location and finally I can see it in the sky.
Finally coming back my drone.
Landing.
The drone is landing accurately on the home point. So finally the drone completed a total range of 3.5 kilometers out and 3.5 kilometers back, almost 7 kilometers in total.
Landing.
This is more than enough distance for this drone. However, I personally don't recommend flying a drone over such long distance because doing so increases the risk of crashes and losing your drone.